of all things, my dryer is a stupid Duke fan. Krzyzewski, Krzyzewski, Krzyzewski. That's all it says. That's all it ever talks about. The washer remains quiet. Still got some Carolina blue from the factory. But the dryer, Krzyzewski, Krzyzewski, Krzyzewski.
So I've gone online and I've looked at YouTube videos that explain why my dryer might be squeaking. I thought initially the idler pulley needed some WD-40. That may be true, but there are also some little guides that the dryer drum rides on. They look kind of like this, exactly like this. As a matter of fact, a little piece of plastic with a hole, and I guess it's kind of silicone-ish, so it creates its own lubricant, for lack of a better word. So, introduce Mr. Olive Garden to-go cup. Back to our pattern. Got some scissors and a couple to-go cups, and we'll see how these things shake out.
So the dryer drum actually rides on this edge of the front panel. There is our good one that is left, our little, I don't know what you call it, a buffer. But I took it and made a pattern. And I took these little plastic things and had to make a little hole so it'll catch, because that is the design. So I made them too thick, actually double thick. And what you do is just make it catch the hole and shove the other mess in that little slot. That's going to be a buffer. That's going to be cool. Or the whole house will smell like plastic and will catch on fire. I'm not sure. So these three top ones, two of which were bad, but two of which are being replaced with Olive Garden cups. Wish me luck. Now we have two sets of plastic shims that catch on that little hook there, made out of Olive Garden cups. Wait, there we go. There's the second set. And then we have the factory one, which slides right back in place like this. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Do is you hook that little sucker on there, put your thumb on it, and then, there you go. That's in place. Plastic, Olive Garden, factory. I'm going to put it back together and see if that was the problem or if it was the idler pulley. Like I said, likely will catch the house and dryer on fire. Disclaimer, don't do this unless you're as dumb as me. Because today, good old-fashioned American ingenuity is called gross negligence by insurance companies.
By the way, these little diddly-poos, I don't know what they're called, but this is what they look like when they're worn out. And there's the hole that snaps into that little hook. And this used to be a full piece of essentially plastic for that drum to ride on. So, figured plastic. Replace it with plastic. We'll see.
Alright, the dryer's been running for a solid 40 minutes on auto cottons with some wet towels in there to make sure that we didn't have a flawed experiment. Make sure conditions were exactly as they should be, and everything looks good. No more Mike Krzyzewski.
Special thanks to John at AppliancePartsPros.com, available on YouTube also, and Adam DIY on YouTube. John showed me how to take the blame thing apart And Adam DIY suggested it might be something more than the pulley system. Figured it out, fixed it. Happy days. See you next time.